Hey, Saturday morning cartoons. Welcome back. I'm gonna do a little video about the Camaro this morning. Uh, it's kind of blown apart right now a little bit. As you can see, I've got the cold air intake off. What I'm preparing for is to remove the catch can right here, and I'm going to put it over here. So I'm going to remove this, my expansion tank, and then I have a DMS fender tank that's coming in. It's going to be behind the fender right here with a filler reservoir right in here. So you'll snake lines through the fender well. It'll come out through here, and then you'll have another fender, line that comes around here and will mount all the way up to here. So this line and this line right here will be running through here. This will be gone, and then the catch can will be over here. So it's a 2.5 or 2 gallon fender tank that will be in there to give me a little bit more cooling, and I'll be able to clean up the front of the engine a little bit more, get all these wires out of here. Like I got this hose right here and this big hose running here, and so I'll be able to move all that. You know, take this from here, route it all through there. This won't be coming across through here. Just a whole bunch of stuff that I want to just tidy up and make it look better. And then hopefully I get the parts in today or tomorrow. And then I'll be able to get it all on and tidy it up, make it look good, fire it up, burp the intercooler system to make sure everything is okay. And then I'll be able to take it down to the transmission shop and have them pull the transmission out and work on the Tremec 660. Oh, also I got to put coil plugs, spark plugs in it. I got a lot of stuff I got to do to trying to get this ready. I'm trying to make the hot rod power tour with this car this year. So didn't make it last year, but I think I got good feelings we're going to make it this year. But yeah, that's just a little update of what's going on. You know, like I said, we'll try to create a community that we can talk back and forth and have ideas. And, you know, somebody might do something that might be a little different. It might work out for somebody else, you know. Just have a good dialogue back and forth, you know, for everybody. So, you know, car lovers can correspond with other car lovers. But once again, that's all we have for today. Like I said, my garage ain't that big. It's just a small 3-car garage. Nothing fancy, nothing out the way. But yeah, I'll have an update tomorrow and probably climb up underneath this car and show you the braces that I put on. And I gotta wait for a W brace on the bottom of this one. But I'll get in that a little bit more tomorrow. But yeah, that's all we have for today. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll keep the videos coming to you guys. Y'all have a great, blessed day. Thank you very much.